Hey lovely, welcome back to Mrs. Suave. So in this video, y'all will be making lip gloss with me. Make lip gloss with your girl. Okay. I have a few inspirational words and things that I feel so led to speak on. So I'm just gonna get into that. I'll play some tunes towards the end of it, but if not, I might just talk throughout the entire video. So just vibe with me and let's hang. You have to smile in the face of adversity. When trouble comes your way, you can't be so quick to fold. You can't be so quick to not believe in yourself. You have to be able to push through it. That's what makes a winner. When everyone is expecting you to give up and walk away, you have to stand up and show them that you're not a failure. You're not a quitter. What really makes a winner is not their ability to win. It's the fact that they don't give up. You can't be so quick to give up when trouble comes your way. This is just a test, and you have to be able to push through that shit. And I know you're going to do it. I believe in you. Fight through whatever it is that you're going through. Just believe that in the end, you're going to come out a winner. This isn't going to break you. This is going to make you. This isn't the end. This is only the beginning. And use this experience as a testimony to talk about how you went through this, how you overcame this. That trouble don't last forever. We always are going through seasons, different seasons. This season, it may be your toughest season, but next season, you'll be smiling with joy, so happy you can't even take it. We're always going through seasons, always evolving. And this is only just a test. You also have to stay focused. Being focused gives you so much power. Once you stay focused in what it is that you're trying to achieve, once you can ignore all of the noise that are going on outside and you just stay focused on your goals, you'll be seeing so much results. It's so crazy. The moment you start putting your mind towards something, writing about it, being positive about it, believing it, envisioning it, you start bringing that thing into life. You have to remember, we are creators. So you're always creating, whether it's good or bad. So if you put your focus in something that isn't really serving you, that's what you're going to get. If you're constantly caught up in celebrity gossip, or you're putting your focus on hanging out with the boys, just doing low vibrational things, that's what you're going to get in return. You have to be able to focus. Put all that distraction to the side and focus on what it is that you're trying to create. Remember, guys, changing is a process. In order to change, you first have to analyze what it is that you need to change. And next, you also have to process the steps that you need to take in order to make that change. And the third step is to actually take the steps to make the change, making the change pretty much. So with all that being said, once you start to focus, you don't give up, you work through it, you push through it, whether it's an addiction, whatever it is that you're dealing with, don't let it overcome you. You have to smile in the face of adversity. You have to be able to stand 10 toes and work through it, push through it. Believe that you're strong enough. Believe that you can make it. Not only that, you have to remain focused. Stay focused on what it is that you're trying to create, what you're trying to achieve. So you have to make a change. And in order to make the change, you have to follow the 3 processes, the 3 steps. One of the most important things, or most important lessons I had to learn in life is you can't want something more for someone than they want for themselves. So you have to want this for yourself more than anybody else wants it. And I know some people are probably feeling hopeless and depressed, feeling as if they won't make it through. And I just want to let you know, with depression, it's a mental state that you're in. It's like putting yourself in a mental prison. And it feels as though everything in your life is going wrong when you're in a state of depression. It feels as if you're a robot in your own body, like you don't even want to live or progress. And you feel as if people are judging you or people just don't understand. But depression hurts, and depression is you just putting yourself in that mental captivity. You putting yourself in in that mental prison, that mental jail. And you have to be strong enough to break yourself out of it. You have to love yourself enough to know that you don't have to go through this, that you cannot control everything, but you can control how you react. You can control your emotions, the emotions that you choose to focus on. When you're going through depression, you have to make a choice to be happy. You have to make the choice to get up every day and know that this is not going to be the end of you. Depression hurts, but you don't have to, like the commercial said. And I know it's easier said than done, but please remember, whenever you want to make a choice or whenever you want to make a change, you know what steps to take and you know when to do it.
On his own edge, the demons that he's facing alone. I hate that sometimes I can't go home, and it just ain't the same on the phone. But everybody's gotta go on, don't they? Yes, we do. So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. Everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it, but you just can't give up now, cause you gotta save yourself.
Yeah, I gotta hang on.
The sun will come out, nothing good ever comes easy. I know times are rough, but when it's don't quit, don't you give up. The sun will come out, but we've been struggling. They will find love, 'cause after the storms, when the flowers bloom.
Wake me and your child, and it won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. That's why you didn't got left, but you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit shit down in the mall. And telling that girl she the one for me. And I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me. So I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down in the mall. And telling that girl she the one for me. And I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album.